Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Fortnite on Nintendo Switch for free. So what you need to do is simply go to Nintendo eShop, select your profile, now go to search, and then over here where we have enter keyword, let's select it and then let's type Fortnite. And then let's search. And there we go, we have Fortnite and Lego Fortnite. So let's choose Fortnite, then go to the right and choose free download. Once again go to the right and choose free download button. And now we start downloading Fortnite. If we close this, we can go to the main menu over here, like so. And here we have Fortnite. Of course right now the download is paused because I am downloading this game, but this is how you can download Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!